Hello magical friends, I am your friend and law of attraction coach Magical Mohit, and today a lot of people were asking me why did you become a law of attraction coach. So today I'm going to share with you in this video how it all started and why did I become a law of attraction coach. So I think it was in my college days when I came to know about The Secret movie, right? So I believe you guys must have watched The Secret movie or read the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. It's a very famous book. I think it was launched in 2004 or maybe 2006. But yeah, this book has changed the life of millions of people. So अगर आपने book नहीं देखी है या movie नहीं देखी है, you should watch it today or read the book if you love reading the books. Okay. So yeah, I came to know about law of attraction in 2009 when I was in college, and I loved the concept. I started practicing. मैंने सोचा चलो let's try and see whether it works or not. So I started practicing and I slowly and gradually started manifesting my small desires. So I started with very small thing just to see whether it works or not, and it really worked. It helped me to get my dream job. I had my first job in TCS and I got my dream project, that was Apple. I worked in Apple for 2 years, but then I wanted to start something of my own. So I got a business opportunity and I came back to Gujarat. So there was a time in 2014 which really changed my life completely, and that is the reason why I chose to become a law of attraction coach. So I remember it was 2014, 5th of March, and I was traveling. There was one of my nannies, she got a heart attack and we were taking her to Ahmedabad. She was in ICU ambulance and we were going ahead. That day we met with an accident and I lost my mom in that accident, and it was the most toughest moments of my life because she was my best friend and I used to share everything with my mom. And I was also injured. I had multiple injuries in my left hand. I still have a rod in my left hand, and doctor told me to take a bed rest for 2 months because I had this operation done. And in that 2 months, those were the most difficult periods of my life. It is when you lose someone very unexpectedly, that to your mom, your best friend with whom you used to share everything. I was like, why am I alive? Why am I living this life? It was very difficult phase of my life. I think one of the most difficult. I used to ask myself, why did this happen with me? So this is why I started reading more books at that time, because I was told to do bed rest by doctor, and I started reading more books. I love reading books on law of attraction, positive books. So when I was reading one book, I came across this paragraph where it was written that everything happens for a reason. Every situation in your life happens for a reason, and you need to learn your lessons. You need to learn what did you learn from that situation. So when I was thinking about that situation again and again and again, first few nights I was having sleepless nights, and it was very difficult. I used to wake up 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. And one day I was just sitting after I think 2-3 months. I just realized one very important thing, and that was something that I learned from this incident, is that you never know which is the last day of your life. You never know, because we all are born one day and we all are going to die one day. Some people live for 100 years, some people for 80, some for 60, and some people just live for 30 years and 20 years. So no one knows which is the last day of our life, and that just hit me that Mohit, this can be the last day of your life. That accident could have been the last day of your life. What are you doing? You are not following your passion. And that suddenly was a wake-up call for me, and I stopped doing what I was doing, and I left a lot of people. I removed a lot of negative people from my life, and I started doing what makes me happy. From that day I decided that I am going to enjoy every single day of my life to the fullest. I am going to live every single day of my life to the fullest, and I am going to make every single day of my life the best day of my life. Yes, this was the life-changing moment. I started to follow my passion. My passion is to help people. I love helping people to become happy, positive and successful. That was the moment when I decided to open an online school to help people understand law of attraction, understand life, understand how to become happy and positive. And I started Mind, Body and Soul. I remember my first workshop, the magical journey. It was 28 days at that time. Now it is 31 days magical journey. There were 17 students. I personally helped them, mentor them every single day for 28 days at that time, and everyone loved the workshop. They got amazing results. They started manifesting their goals within 1 month. They were so happy and positive, and they got amazing results. So that was the beginning. 2015 January, I believe, we started. And in this last 5 to 6 years, I have helped more than 20,000 people from all across the world. And the best part of this job is it gives me the most happiness and satisfaction. We have helped more than 20,000 people, and my dream, my goal, or I would say that my vision is to live in a world where everyone is happy, positive and living their dream life. And my goal is to help millions of people to live happy and successful life. Slowly and gradually we are doing that. Now we are more than 6 law of attraction coaches working and helping people every single day after day. I've started my YouTube channel. I've started my Instagram page, Facebook page, where I can share more about law of attraction. I've started giving personal mentorings. We have designed more than 10 workshops, which are 1 month workshops, advanced workshops on different areas of life. We have also started 1 year personal mentoring program where we can personally mentor people to change their life 360 degrees. Yes. So this is how it all started, and my goal is to help as many people as possible. I want everyone to be happy, positive and live their dream life. So this is the reason why I left my job. This is the reason why I left so many things, and I believe that we should enjoy every single moment of our life to the fullest, because you never know which is the last day of your life. So live today like it is the last day of your life. Enjoy today. Tell people that you love them. Do things that makes you happy. Love yourself. Be grateful for what you have, and do everything that makes you happy. So this is how I live my life. This is how you should live your life. And if you need any help from my side, you can join my 7 days free law of attraction workshop. Just go to my website www.lawofattraction4u.org and register, and you can start your 7 days free workshop today. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you liked it, please comment and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you so much, and have a magical day and have a magical life to everyone. Thank you.